It is a common question that every site engineer is facing, that where do I provide labs in the columns? It is required because we have only maximum 12 meter, but in the column, a 12-meter bar, we cannot erect in a single time, so that we need to splice whenever we are working at the site. But what is the area of lab zone of the lab column, and what is the requirement that we want to know whenever we are working in the site? In this video, I will discuss as per the IS code 13920, what is the lab requirement of the column. So please stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the lap length of the column or the lap splices zone in the column and what is the other requirement. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start. What is the column lap location? It is IS 139202016. You can find out this code easily in the BIS online website, because BIS providing free code in PDF version. So just download that one. It will help you to grow in your career, and you can find out everything in details about in the lap length of the column. In clause 7, column and inclined member, and in 7.3.21 lap splices. So let's see what is saying. When adopted, closed links shall be provided over the entire length over which the longitudinal bars are spliced. That means whenever splices is there, the links bar, the closed links should be provided so closely. But how close? Let's see. See, here it is saying the spacing of these links shall not exceed 100 mm. That means maximum spacing should be 100 mm for the links whenever we are providing the lap in the column or the lap over that lap areas. And in the lap lane, the lap length shall not be less than the development of the largest longitudinal reinforcement bar in tension. Now, what is the lap length? That it has to finding out how we can find out the lap length. What it is saying, that is largest longitudinal reinforcement bar in tension, that is development length. So how to find out the development length? It is as per IS 456, and I have made a detailed video on that subject, how to calculate the development length. The link is there or in the description box. Check that one so you can find out easily. So how to calculate the development length whenever it is a tension member, or it is a compression member, or it is a mild steel, or in the taut steel. So we need to calculate the development length, and that development length should be the lap length. So first things, link bar and the lap zone should be maximum 100 mm spacings, and lap length should be equal to the development length of the tension bar. Okay, then lap splices shall be provided in the central half of the clear column height, which means if my column is clear height is 4 meter, and central half, that means central 2 meter, one h by 4 is equal to top portion 1 meter, bottom portion to 1 meter, we cannot provide it. But between the central half, that means middle 2 meter, we can provided the lap of the column. So it is very important to know the lap location, that is the central half of the clear column height. It's a clear column height, okay? But it is also said it is not in the joint. We cannot provide the lap in the joint, and within the distance of 2D from the face of the beam. Also from the 2D of the face of the beam, we cannot provide it the lap length, but we can only provide it in the central half of the column, and that is equal to the development. It's not less than the development length, or may more, it's okay, but it is not less than the development length of that bar in tension. And now another thing, what is saying, not more than 50% of area of steel bars shall be spliced at any section. That means all bar in same term area we cannot provide it. Only 50% area we can splice in a single bar. So if it is an 8 bar, we can provide and the same section 4 bar, but it is also in the staggered and the alternate. And another 4 in another splice area, and left splices shall not be used for birds diameter larger than 32 mm, for which mechanical splicing shall be adopted. Now it is clear. So larger than 32 we cannot provide lab, for in which in these cases we need to use mechanical splicers so that it can be spliced easily. So these the things you need to check in IS 13920. It is clearly mentioned about the column splice location and column splice detail and what is the requirement. So whenever you feel what is the area of splices and what is the requirement, please check that one IS 139. You will find every detail. So in summary, the left splices shall be in the center hub. It should be linked there. It should not be maximal spacing. It will be maximum 100 mm. Lap length should be in not less than the development length of the longitudinal bar or in tension. And how to calculate development length as per IS 56, please check my video. You will find out it easily. You can calculate the development length easily. And not more than 50% of area of steel bars shall be spliced at any section. Okay, and for larger than 32 meter, we cannot provide the splices. It should be the mechanical coupler. Now, check in the drawing itself. See, in the drawing itself, it is clearly showing the splices in the middle half of the column. So H by 4, H by 4 not, only the middle H by 2 we can provide the splices. So this you need to take care, and this area wherever you're splicing, see the link bar is very closed. It's not more than the 100 centimeters center. So these are the all about the column steel bar. So whenever you will be stuck, please check my video and refer to the IS 13920. It is very easy and you can find out easily everything about the splices of reinforcement in the column. I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notifications. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments. So from your valuable comment, everybody can be benefited. And if you want to know anything about quality control and construction procedure and construction material, please let me know. I will come with more content like this, and I'm ready to help you for any extent. Thank you. Thank you once again for watching me, and I'm waiting for your valuable feedback.